The Alexandra Magistrate Court in Johannesburg has witnessed many high-profile defendants pass through its door, but few carry weight of a fallen political empire, quite like Bellarmine Chatunga Mugabe. On 11 March 2026, the youngest son of the late Zimbabwean leader Robert Mugabe made a decision that has left legal observers and political analysts across Southern Africa scrambling for answers, in a move that signals a dramatic shift in legal strategy. The 29-year-old and his co-accused 33-year-old Tobias Matonodze abruptly abandoned their application for bail. Instead, fighting for their temporary freedom, the pair has pivoted towards seeking a plea government with the state. The sudden retreat from the legal front lines is not merely a procedural quirk, it is a profound admission that the once untouchable Mugabe family is now navigating a much harsher and less forgiving legal landscape. Zarabina mashukubranyi kwa popkwana chinzi activating Plan B. The real reason why Bellarmine Chatunga Mugabe pardoned is bail bid for attempted murder charges. Very subscribe or like it on the bell icon. For decades, Mugabe's name was a shield, a symbol of absolute power that rendered its barriers effectively immune to consequences of their action. Why would a man with the financial resources of the Mugabe family choose to remain in South African prison cell rather than fighting for bail? The official explanation from this legal team is that they are pursuing a plea deal, but the hidden pressures behind the decision are far more complex. Our investigation suggests that the Mugabe family is currently caught in a pincer movement of legal battles and shifting political alliances. In Zimbabwe, the family's traditional influence has waned significantly since the 2017 military-assisted transition. So Emerson Mnangagwa take over power, while the current administration has maintained a veneer of respect for the late founding father's legacy. The practical protection once afforded to his widow Grace and their children has largely evaporated. The decision to seek a plea deal may also be a calculated move to prevent more damaging family secrets from being aired in open court. A full trial would involve the cross-examination of witnesses, the presentation of forensic evidence, and potentially a deep dive into the private lives of those residing at the Hyde Park home. For a family that has spent years trying to guard its privacy and the details of its vast international wealth, the prospect of a public trial is a nightmare. A plea agreement allows for a controlled conclusion to the case, potentially avoiding the most sensational details of the shooting and the family's internal dynamics from becoming part of the public record. This legal crisis does not exist in a vacuum. It follows a series of public setbacks for the Mugabe siblings that suggest a dynasty in terminal decline. Bellarmine himself is no longer stronger to the Zimbabwean legal system. In August 2024, he was arrested at a police checkpoint in the broader town of Beitbridge for disorderly conduct and allegedly assaulting a police officer. Although he was granted bail at the time, a warrant for his arrest was later issued when he failed to appear in court, adding a lawyer of fugitive status to his current South African troubles. His older brother Robert Mugabe Jr. also faced legal scrutiny in February 2023 when he was arrested in Harare for malicious damage to property after allegedly tarnishing a friend's house during a dispute. Though my developments aripo muri Zimbabwe panhau Chatunga Mugabe. Pana comment section medu zofungira email kuti pamusoro pechirwere. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.